Hello guys and welcome back to Madfire on channel. So in this tutorial series we are going to create a simple puzzle game. In this series we are going to check 8 direction swipe control which will be used to move our player, level generation from level data, then grid system and many more things. The entire project is available on GitHub. The link will be in the description. And if you want premium version of this project which has extra features in it like add mob, unity ads, level editor, 100 plus ready to go levels, then you can go to my Patreon page and get the premium project, and in this way you will also support this channel. So without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, so now we are able to show our solution. Now we also need to check if the player has completed the pattern. So for that we will first create a new script and we will call this game manager. So double click on it to open it. Now game manager will be a static class. We are not going to have any logic or any code which is related to Unity, and in this we are just going to store the data which we want to move from one scene to another. So we'll add a namespace here. We'll call this line paint. Okay, so as you can see here, we created a new enum called game status which has two types like playing and complete. And here in game manager we set our game status is equal to playing. Then we create a static int current level which is 0 and a static int total diamonds. So basically whenever our player wins we will award him some diamonds. Okay, so let's save the script and go back to our level manager. Now in level manager we need to check whether the level is completed or not. So for that, so here we created a new method, a boolean is level complete. So here we are checking for the count, for the complete pattern count and in progress count. If both are not same, we return false. If both are same, then we go below. Here we have for loop where we check for connection already done. Now in connection already done, we are adding one more parameter which is a boolean. So if we go to our connection already done, we have a boolean called remove connection. So we know that if the connection is already there, we remove the connection right? So here we only now remove that connection if remove connection is true. So here we added this thing, and while checking if level is complete, we are not going to remove that connection. That's why we are setting false here, and we return false. And here we have to check if connection already done is false. Okay, then we return false. Else if you bypass all of these things, we return true. Okay, and then so when we are moving our brush, in that we have this condition. If connection already done, we are setting here true, because while moving our brush we are going to remove the connection if it is already done. Okay, so here now we have to check. So here we are checking if our progress count is greater than or equal to our complete pattern count. Then we go and check for is level complete. Now, the reason here we are checking only if this count is same or more than this count is because we don't want to check if these two are different, right? Or if this is smaller than this. And if level complete is true, then we set our game status to complete. And in our update, here instead of just checking if swipe control is not equal to null, we also add one more condition, which is game status is playing. If it is not playing, we won't do any swipe, right? And that means our brush will not move. Now let's go to our is level complete, and let's copy this thing, game manager dot current level, because now instead of using 0 we are going to use this. So let's paste it here, or if I just hold Control F, I think most of the zeros are selected. Okay, but it is selecting all of the zeros, which we don't want. Okay, so we have to like change all this manually maybe, or we can do one thing. We can just copy this thing, entire thing, and then we have this level script table 0, right? Control F, and I think yeah, then it is only selecting the one which you want to change. Okay, so if you click on Control F, you get this option. So just click on this drop down, just remove this and paste this, and click on replace all. Okay, it replace. Okay, got it. Okay, so as you can see here, everything is replaced by this thing. So now the level will be loaded depending on our game manager's current level information, right? Okay, here we are just using width and height and cell. We have to use the information. So for that we'll have to use this, which is it. So one thing we can do is we can set our width and height, right? So width is equal to whatever our level script table we have, our current, sorry, our game manager dot current level, and its width, and then we have this height. Okay, and we also need to set the position of our brush. So instead of using this 0 0, we can just copy this thing and paste it here and call this brush start coordinates, and let's copy this dot x, and this one will be dot y. Okay, and sales are, I think we don't need to change. Let's remove the serialize field from here because we are not going to edit it from inspector anymore. Let's cut and paste it down here. Okay, this should be height. And one more thing we will do is, if our level is completed, we call a debug. So debug dot log level completed. Okay, save this thing, go back to the editor, and let's click on play. So right now we are in debug mode. Here you can see debug. So width and height is 3, which is correct. If I move up and up, okay, now if I do the connection, it should show that the level is complete. So if I do the connection, you see we get level completed debug, and now we cannot move our brush. So do one thing, let's stop this thing and let's try one more time. So if I move it, so let's do this. Okay, let's do, and if I go down, it should be okay. Okay guys, so our level complete logic is also done. Now our UI is remaining. So now we will be creating our UI, which will be showing the basically the level index, the number of coins, then some retry button, and then a level complete panel as well.